Did you know there's different ratios to gather fabrics? In this video, I'm going to explain the ratio method for gathering different types of fabrics. Let's get into this. This is the ratio for skirts with gathered waistlines. You can also use it for sleeves, shirts, pants, and more. There's two factors that should be considered before computing the amount of fullness desired. Number one is the fabric weight. Firmly woven fabrics limits the amount of gathers that can be stitched into a seam. Lightweight fabrics can tolerate greater fullness. And number two is the cost. The gathering increases yardage and adds to the cost of the garment. These are the ratios right here. The 1.5 to 1 ratio will have this type of gathers. This is the least gathers, and they say it's for the inexpensive garments. The 2 to 1 ratio is this one right here. The gathers start to increase, and they say it's for the average fullness. 2.5 to 1 is the one right here. This is where the gathers start to look good. This is also for the average fullness. The 3 to 1 ratio gathers start to get tight, and this ratio is for chiffon and lightweight fabrics. And the 4 to 1 ratio, as you can see, has the tightest gathers. This one is also for chiffons and lightweight fabrics. Remember, chiffon is a lightweight fabric, so the lighter the fabrics, the more gathers you need to make the design fuller. To make gathers, the fabrics should be lightweight to medium weight fabrics. Heavyweight fabrics will be too thick to gather, so it won't gather correctly. It will be too full. For heavyweight fabrics, it's best to use pleats. Now, let's say you have a medium weight denim, then you should use the 1.5 to 1 ratio or 2 to 1 ratio because the medium weight fabric might be too thick for the 3 to 1 ratio. Let's say you want to gather cotton fabric. Cotton fabric falls in the category of the 1.5 all the way to the 3 to 1 ratio. I think the 4 to 1 ratio is too much gathers, but you can try it out with muslin fabric to see the outcome. There will be times where you have no choice but to use the 1.5 to 1 ratio, and that's because you don't have enough fabric. So you have to use the ratio that has the least gathers. Remember, the more gathers, the more fabric you will need. My sweet spot for gathers is 2.5 to 1 ratio. Now let's calculate how much fabric you need for each ratio. Let's say you want to make a gathered skirt and your waist is 26 inches, but you're not sure which ratio you should use because you have a certain amount of fabric on your table. Let's do the math. 1.5 to 1 ratio will be 26 inches one time, and half of 26 inches. Half of 26 is 13, so 26 plus 13 equals 39 inches, and that's how much fabric you will need for this ratio. The 2 to 1 ratio will be 26 inches twice, so it's 26 plus 26, and the total fabric you will need is 52 inches. The 2.5 to 1 ratio will be 26 inches twice, and half of 26 inches. So it will be 26 plus 26 plus 13 equals 65 inches. And that's how much fabric you will need for this ratio. The 3 to 1 ratio will be 26 inches 3 times. So it's 26 plus 26 plus 26 equals 78 inches. The book says 72 inches, but they made a mistake in the book. So you will need 78 inches of fabric. And the 4 to 1 ratio will be 26 inches 4 times. So it's 26 plus 26 plus 26 plus 26. And that's a total of 104 inches. You will need 104 inches of fabric for this ratio. Let's say you have chiffon fabric on your table. And you already know that you have to pick either the 3 to 1 ratio or 4 to 1 ratio. Nothing less. So if you want the 4 to 1 ratio, you will need 104 inches to gather your skirt to your 26-inch waist. Let's say you have cotton on your table and you can only use 60 inches of that fabric. Then you will have to use the 2 to 1 ratio. Hopefully this helped you out. If it did, then please give this video a like so it can help other creators. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to practice, practice, practice. Bye, everybody.